Hello friends, today we are discussing about Batukamma festival, our Telangana state festival Batukamma. Since ancient times, Telangana culture is known for its dynamism. Contemporary epigraphies, native literary works, foreign literary works are providing a very interesting information about fairs and festivals of Telangana. Hindu traditional festivals such as Holi, Vinayaka Chaviti, Deepavali, Dasara, Sri Ram Navami, well celebrated by Telangana people. The advent of Muslim rulers since 1323 onwards introduced many Muslim festivals like Ramjan, Shabai Bharat, Miladul Nabi, Bakrid, Moharram to the Telangana people. The advent of European trading companies gave an opportunity to propagate the Christianity in Telangana region. So the first church was constructed in the year 1854 in Hyderabad city. Near all Gunfoundry localities, it is the present All Saint Church. Later they constructed Bollaram Church, Medak Church, etc. Medak Church was constructed in the year 1924, December 24. Medak Church was constructed in the year 1924, December 24. Hindus too started attending the Christmas celebrations in these holy places. Telangana state has declared Batukamma and Bonalu to the Telangana state festivals on June 16th, 2014. Now we will discuss about Batukamma. Batukamma is a colorful and vibrant festival of Telangana. Batukamma is a very popular folk festival of Telangana region. Batukamma means Mother Goddess comes alive or live forever. So Batukamma festival is celebrated to thank Goddess Parvati for her blessings. Every year this festival is celebrated as per Satvahana calendar. As per Satvahana calendar for 9 days. For 9 days, starting Bhadrapada Paurnami, also known as Mahalaya Amavasya, till Durgastami, usually in September or October of Gregorian calendar. So background of Batukamma festival. What is the background of Batukamma festival? Batukamma was the daughter of the Chola king Dharmangada and Satyavati. She was the daughter of the Chola king Dharmangada and Satyavati. They lost their 100 sons in the battlefield, and they prayed to Goddess Lakshmi to be born in their house as their child. Goddess Lakshmi heard their sincere prayer and chose to bless them. When Lakshmi was born in the royal palace, all the sages came to bless her, and they blessed her with immortality, Batukamma, or live forever. Since that time, the Batukamma festival is celebrated by women. So Batukamma festival, mainly the festival of flowers, particularly celebrated by women and girls. Batukamma festival followed by Boddemma, which is a 7th-day festival. Batukamma festival begins with Engilipula Batukamma and ends with Saddula Batukamma. The last day, Goddess Lakshmi, goddess immersed in the water on rivers or tanks after completion of ritual. Batukamma festival celebrated Batukamma festival is a beautiful flower stalk arranged with different unique seasonal flowers like Tangedu, Gunugu, Banti, Chemanti, Elli, Katla. Batukamma is a nice splash of color through floral arrangement in a conical shape. The women sing songs in praise goddess Gauri Devi, circulating around the Batukamma while clapping their hands and walking in synchronized steps. So 9 days Batukamma. First day Engilipula Batukamma, and second day Atukula Batukamma, third day Muddapappu Batukamma, 4th డే నానబియ్యం బతుకమ్మ, 5th డే అట్ల బతుకమ్మ, 6th డే అలిగిన బతుకమ్మ, 7th డే వేపకాయల బతుకమ్మ, 8th డే వెన్నముద్ద బతుకమ్మ, 9th డే సద్దుల బతుకమ్మ, లాస్ట్ బతుకమ్మ. సో ఫస్ట్ డే ఎంగిలిపుల బతుకమ్మ, సెకండ్ డే అటుకుల బతుకమ్మ, థర్డ్ డే ముద్దపప్పు బతుకమ్మ, 4th డే నానబియ్యం బతుకమ్మ, 5th డే అట్ల బతుకమ్మ, 6th డే అలిగిన బతుకమ్మ, 7th డే వేపకాయల బతుకమ్మ, 8th డే వెన్నముద్ద బతుకమ్మ, అండ్ 9th డే లాస్ట్ డే సద్దుల బతుకమ్మ. సద్దుల బతుకమ్మ ఆల్సో known as పెద్ద బతుకమ్మ. సో ఫస్ట్ డే ఎంగిలిపుల బతుకమ్మ. ద ఫస్ట్ డే ఆఫ్ ద ఫెస్టివల్ ఫాల్స్ ఆన్ మహాలయ అమావాస్య. Falls on Mahalaya Amavasya, also known as Pedara Amavasya. So what is food offering on that day? Food offering on that day, first day, sesame with rice flour. Sesame with rice flour. And second day, Atukula Batukamma. Atukula Batukamma falls on the Padyami of Ashvayuja Masam. Padyami of Ashvayuja Masam. So food offering on that day. Bland boiled lentils, jaggery, flattened parboiled rice. Bland boiled lentils, jaggery, flattened parboiled rice. So third day muddapappu batukamma. The third day of the festival falls on Vidya or second day of Ashvayuja Masam. Food offering on that day. Soft and boiled lentils, jaggery, milk. Muddapappu batukamma. Food offering on that day. Soft and boiled lentils, jaggery and milk. So fourth day Nanabiyyam Batukamma. So Nanabiyyam Batukamma festival falls on Tidiya or third day of Ashvayuja Masam. Food offering on that day, wet rice, jaggery and milk. So fifth day Atla Batukamma. So fifth day, the festival of Batukamma, Atla Batukamma falls on Chaturthi or fourth day of Ashvayuja Masam. So food offering on that day, pancakes made from wheatless or dosa. Sixth day Aligina Batukamma falls on Panchami or fifth day of Ashvayuja Masam. So food offering on that day. No food offering is made on that day. So seventh day Vepakayala Batukamma. So Vepakayala Batukamma falls on Shashti or sixth day of Ashvayuja Masam. So food offering on that day. Rice flour shaped into the fruits of neem tree is deep fried. Next, eighth day Vennamudda Batukamma. So Vennamudda Batukamma falls on Saptami or seventh day of Ashvayuja Masam. Food offering on that day. Sesame, ghee or butter, jaggery. Last day, ninth day, Saddula Batukamma. So Saddula Batukamma is celebrated on Ashtami. Or eighth day of Ashvayuja Masam. And coincides with Durgastami. So food offering on that day. 5 types of cooked rice dishes. First one, curd rice, tamarind rice, lemon rice, coconut rice, sesame rice. So these 5 types of cooked rice dishes. Food offering on that day, 9th day, Saddula Batukamma. So 5 types of cooked rice dishes. First one, curd rice, tamarind rice, and lemon rice, coconut rice, sesame rice. So Telangana Jagruti Telangana Jagruti, the establishment of Telangana Jagruti in June 2008, a cultural organization by Kalvakuntla Kavita. So the Batukamma festival gained a huge support of Telangana people. In Telugu NRIs, even Telugu NRIs in USA, UK, Malaysia, New Zealand, Japan started celebrations of Telangana people. Okay. This is all about Batukamma festival. Thank you.